The Kärcher 25-foot replacement hose and trigger gun combo kit is designed for seamless compatibility with select Kärcher pressure washers, enhancing the functionality of your cleaning equipment. This accessory kit features a quick connect system, allowing users to easily and swiftly disconnect the high-pressure hose from the device and gun, saving both time and effort. Compatible with all Kärcher consumer pressure washers produced since 1992, this kit is perfect for those looking to retrofit their existing equipment. The high-pressure hose, capable of handling up to 2,000 psi, ensures efficient and powerful cleaning across a variety of surfaces, including concrete, driveways, and decks. For added safety, the trigger gun is equipped with a child safety lock, preventing any accidental discharge during use. As a genuine Kärcher accessory, this combo kit promises reliability and quality, making it a valuable addition to your pressure washing tools.